Hello guys, today we're gonna have a video about gearbox fluid changing in Nissan Leaf. To do it, first we gotta get rid of underbody protection, lose some bolts and some clips in there. You see, it's already damaged in Russian roads. Nissan Leaf is getting a little damage on Russian roads. So now we're going to unscrew all the bolts and get rid of all the clips. Make sure not to break them much. You gotta put some effort in it. And now you see, we opened it and we see our gearbox of a Nissan Leaf. Should we change the fluid more frequently than in other cars? I don't think so. 60,000 miles or kilometers, it should be good. So we're gonna need a hexagon wrench. That I don't have this wrench, but maybe my friend does. So I asked him to find this hexagon wrench. It's a big one, and now we're going to unscrew it and we're gonna see how dirty is our fluid. By the way, this fluid is ATF. It's not a gearbox fluid like a thick one. It's just regular thin ATF fluid. And we're going to change it now. As soon as we get this big ass hexagon wrench, stick it in, and luckily if we can unscrew this, because I think no one from the factory, no one been here. First we're going to do what? We're going to unscrew this drain plug. That's fill-in drain plug, not drain, but fill in, because we gotta make sure that we can fill our gearbox. Not just like this, like we drain it all, then we can't fill it in. And now we put a little effort. Hey, this extender, and I can't do it. Oh, it's kind of hard. It was really hard. Tighten it. So I'm gonna try one more time, probably. Okay, here we go. We done this. Alrighty, almighty. Now it's just unscrews by hand. Make sure not to lose this tiny aluminum washer. Yes, there is washer on this drain plug. You see the metal clamp on this magnet. It's some metal clamp from our gearbox, because we like to start really fast on Nissan Leaf, and it can, you see, you know it. So we're going to unscrew this lower hole, this lower drain plug. That's really drain, not fill-in plug. And here we go, we managed to do it. It was really hard. I'm really hard pushing it to do it. And now we're going to get some reservoir from my friend for the dirty oil, for the dirty ATF. You may say, this is not an oil, this is an ATF. And I agree with you, this ATF, but when it looks like oil, it smells like oil, I think that's an oil, guys. And it's not a gearbox like 70W80, 75W80 or 90W80. It's just an ATF. It's a thin one. Because if you put thick oil in the Nissan Leaf, oh, here we go. You see how it's thin. It's a thin, and it's not so dirty, by the way. It's kind of dirty, but I can see through this, through the stream. You can see it daylight through this stream of old, worked out ATF. It's a little red because it's not so red how it was. You see, there's a little metal clamp in here too on a magnet, and you see this is a real magnet. This is magnet. It's black. It's not just a metal that was magneted. It's real magnet. You see, when you disassemble your speakers from audio system, you see this this metal, like, but it's black, and it's really it can be broken. I think really good. And it's magnet. It's not a metal. And you see, we screw this this lower drain plug and clean it a bit. So now we ready to fill in, and we use a Ford Motorcraft Mercon 5. Now we're going to get a syringe, big syringe, and fill it in with our, you see, bright red ATF. It's going to be about 1.5 liters. Some say that it's a little and 1 and 2 liters, but I think this is 1.5 liter. I can't say it in American measures, because we, Russian, Europeans, we use a metric system. And by the way, I advise you to transit to this system, because it's really convenient. Not your feet and inches and gallons or what it is. So you see, we proceed to, one by one syringe by one syringe. We just filling in all this Nissan Leaf gearbox with a clean red ATF Ford Mercon V or Mercon 5. And step by step we proceed to the end, and soon we gonna have our gearbox is really clean. I hope without this metal clamp, crispy metal parts, that your gearbox is always okay. You see, it starts to leaking out from this top, so it means that it's full. And we screw this back, this drain plug, and a little clean with cloth, and we Soon we're going to put the underbody protection back in its place and enjoy this like a new liquid, new transmission fluid in our Nissan Leaf. Subscribe to our channel, press thumbs up, bye bye.